Hi lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this agidi with coconut milk and corn flour. This is a very easy to make recipe and light delicious Nigerian meal that you can serve as breakfast. I'm going to be using only two ingredients for this recipe, and they are coconut milk and corn flour. Please stay tuned so that you don't miss out on any step. We'll start by breaking the coconut, peeling off the back, and dicing the coconut into smaller cubes, like what I have here. So sorry I had to do this behind the camera because of time wasting. So get your blender and measure the coconut cubes into the blender. Yes, you heard me right. Measure, I said. I'm measuring the coconut cubes because I need to know the measurement of the coconut to enable me know and measure the exact quantity of water that will be enough to blend this quantity of coconut. So that's my second cup there. And this is the last one and is half. So I have a total of 2.5 cups of these coconut cubes. All right. So I'm going to be measuring the quantity of water I'll use to blend this quantity of coconut as well. And this is going to be 2.5 cups of water. 1, 2, and lastly, that's the half cup. So please blend very well. So like I said, make sure you blend very well. This will actually help you extract enough milk from the coconut. Can you see? This is well blended. So transfer into a sieve and sieve out the milk. Extracting the milk from the coconut. Can you see? This is what it looks like. Can you see? It's thick. Alright. Next, measure out 1 cup of corn flour and place in a bowl. Also, measure out 1 cup of coconut milk and add to the corn flour. Stir it and mix everything together until it is well mixed and set it aside. So, I'm going to be placing the remaining coconut milk on fire. But before then, I will remove and set aside little quantity of the coconut milk before placing the remaining on fire. This is because the process and preparation of this meal requires extra liquid while cooking it, and I wouldn't want to add ordinary water as the extra liquid, but the coconut milk. So, this is the little quantity I've set aside for this purpose. The remaining coconut milk is on fire already. So let's allow it to get hot before we can continue with the next step. Yeah, the coconut milk is hot already. Next, get the corn flour mixture and begin to add it bit by bit into the hot coconut milk that is on fire. At the same time, stir with your wooden spoon as you're adding the mixture. Don't stop turning. Keep turning it as you're adding. Even as you are through with the addition, continue turning. This is to avoid lumps. Alright? You can do this for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the little quantity of the coconut milk I've set aside for the cooking process. After adding the coconut milk, make holes with your wooden spoon to enable the coconut milk settle under the pot. Cover the pot and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. Though the agidi is ready, but I still have to turn it for the last time to mix everything together and smoothing it before bringing it down from fire. This is just to mix remember that we added coconut milk before covering the pot. Now is to mix everything together, then smoothing it before bringing it down from the fire. Please make sure you wet the bowl or plate you are going to be transferring this agidi into. It will help the agidi not to stick to the bowl. So transfer the agidi into a bowl. Immediately you bring it down from fire as it is hot. I mean as it's still hot, so that it doesn't start to cake inside the pot as it cools. Set aside to cool down completely. This is completely cooled. Can you see how hard the surface has become? So, the agidi is ready to be served. Wow, can you see this? Shiny, smooth, beautiful. Can you see how it's bouncing? Yes, that's how agidi should be. Alright. Wow, served with my Nigerian fish sauce. In my next video, I will be showing you how I made this fish sauce. This is yummy. Please try this, you will love it. Please like and share my video, abeg. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified anytime I post new videos. Thanks for watching. Love you.